Good morning, Charlene.
Good morning.
I wasn't kidding when I said that I was going to bring a few people from the group by, right? And here's Tanker. Charlene, is Chris handy, or he's making a cup of coffee? Great to see you, Chris and Charlene. Yeah, Pastor Dave. We're really well. We're really well. Without laboring this any longer, we wanted to come and meet with you guys on Family Day.
Sure.
Because your family's been chosen for Extreme Home Repair 2018.
Wow, thank you so much.
Oh, you're very welcome. You're very welcome.
Wow. Thank you.
We hope that this is a start of a change for your family. And we thought Family Day, there couldn't be a better day to give you the surprise. And so many of the group here have got together. These are all people that are extremely passionate about extreme home repair. And we want to be a blessing to your family. We want to serve you in every way. We want to make things right as they can be for your home, so you can go forward and continue to raise your kids and be a blessing to your kids and your families and your neighborhood.
So congratulations, you guys.
Yes.
All right. Woo! Yes, here we are. This is the 15th year of Extreme Home Repair. This is day one, demo day. I've got Demo Man here with me. Don't mess with him. But we are here having fun. If you're not here today, you're missing out.
It's demo time.
Yeah.
They never took off the top plate. That's why this is down this inch.
Yeah.
What can you do but laugh?
Oh, hey, cock it up.
This is the last piece. Check it out. Working pretty good? Gil. Hey everyone, it's Extreme Home Repair 2018 and we are having fun here on the site as usual. We've got a bunch of volunteers helping out. We're helping this family, the Adam family. Chris has MS. The wife Charlene has had a stroke and still hasn't fully recovered. They're not able to finish the house project that they started years ago. They bought a fixer-upper, got started with it, and then illness took over. We're here to finish the job for them, because they're not able to physically do it, they can't financially do it, and we're here to help. And we've got a team of volunteers and community sponsors. Couldn't do it without them. So thank you so much for everything that's happening. Can't do it without you. Let's take a look. Let's see what's happening here today. Whoa. Blown away there by the fan. I'm walking over this flooring. We had to we had to level the floor because it was so uneven. All of a sudden it was a bigger job. We thought we could just put down flooring. No, we had to level the whole house because it was just like a ride in the waves, man. Nothing's too hard for this extreme home repair team. This is coming from Target Concrete Products, Dad? So this is, again, they're just donating whatever we need. They've donated sand. They're donating now a dump of gravel. We're gonna totally redo this area. We're gonna have a brand new landscape wall, donation by Baselite in Surrey. And it's gonna be amazing. It's just, we couldn't do this without the businesses. You know, it's just amazing the power of the heart of a volunteer. And I think of this lady that's over here staining the fence. What do you think so far? I mean, have you ever done anything like this before?
Not this kind of project, but I've always enjoyed just working with other people, and it's always fun to do a project with others together and then see actually what comes out of it in the end and how much people can accomplish in a relatively short time when they pull together.
Brian is a great volunteer, just got back from Jamaica, man.
Jamaica, man.
Yes, he's got a new daughter-in-law, and here he is, he's working every day. The day he gets back, he shows up on the job site, gets back to work, am I right?
I was a little bleary-eyed, but I was here.
Because you love extreme home repair and doing this.
It is a great, great program, and I get a lot of personal satisfaction out of helping people.
What year did you start helping us?
We did Kathy Dunn's house when
2013.
when you were right across the street from my house.
That was our 10-year anniversary, and now
Yes.
we're on our 15th. So that means 5. You've done 6, including that one. This is your 6th year.
Yeah.
Awesome, Brian. We're so glad we have volunteers like this, committed like crazy. We love them. Thanks, man.
I bring the tools too.
Yeah, someone's got it.
Hi, my name's Gareth Dauncey. I'm one of the leaders of the EHR team. I've been working on these projects for 14 years. I like to work on these projects because I'm happy with the way the Lord has blessed me. And if I can pass on some of those blessings to others, that's where I want to be. So I do it because I love doing it.
Hello, my name is Jordan Clyde and I'm from the Okanagan, and this is my first year working at the HR site and helping along and helping these people that need it. And I found out from my aunt. She's a member of the Aldergrove Church, and she's told me about it for the past couple of years, and I thought I'd take 2 weeks off of school and come down and help with the construction crew and do some work. And the reason why I'm here is it's good work. I can work with people that are the same mind as me, and I'm able to help the family in need, and I'm able to use this as school hours, and it's something that I enjoy. I love to do construction. I love to work with my hands. It's just great to be here.
Good that way.
I think we should leave it at that.
Hey guys, I'm Emily and I'm here on the site. I'm going to be working on Johnny's room. So this is the room, the before. You'll be seeing the after soon. I have a lot of great ideas and I'm really excited for Johnny to see his room.
Hi, I'm Adam with Farm Credit Canada, and we're here today helping out at Acts of Kindness. It's we saw a great opportunity in the paper advertising this event. We thought great way for us to get out of the office, spend some time outside and help out in the community. And it's been a great day so far. We're doing lots of landscaping. There's lots of people working inside the house, and it's coming together. Looks like a great project.
Hi, I'm Greta Visser, and I'm here with my husband Cy at Charlene and Chris's place. We have just experienced an amazing event right now for Charlene and Chris and their family.
Yeah, it's been awesome.
Yeah, we are just amazed at the people involved, the time they're giving, their energy, that they just want to do this, and it's just blessed us all very much. Just seeing how people are providing things and helping and donating and giving meals, and it's just phenomenal. And the people we've met.
Yeah, everybody's fantastic.
Yeah.
Some of you are wondering, like Chris, our son-in-law, as a youngster already, he was diagnosed with MS. He has coped with it for years. It's come and gone. It's been good, it's been bad. Now it's getting bad again, and he has problems now with balance, stepping over things, climbing up things. That's one of the great benefits of what's been done here, is all the basically all the bumps have been taken away, like sidewalks and rug to lino, the transitions. They're all gone now, so it's just going to be awesome for Chris. Yeah. The sponsors, you know, we just say thank you to every one of you. Sorry, folks.
Yeah, it's just, we are blown away by how much people have been giving, how many people have been involved.
Yeah, it's just been fantastic.
Thank you so much. I keep trying to say thank you every time we meet someone. Thank you from us and Charlene and Chris. Just, it's just incredible.
Keep it going. Keep it going.
Though these Aldergrove neighbors started construction on a house over the weekend, the home isn't theirs, and they aren't being paid. Instead, they're volunteering for Extreme Home Repair. Sponsored by a local church, the annual charity event completely renovates a struggling Langley family's home for free.
It is sponsored by a church, but it's not exclusive. We open it up to whoever wants to help us. And so we're going to keep doing this, whether it becomes big, huge, or not. We're just going to keep doing what we feel is our mandate, and that's to help a family or two every year, help make ends meet and help them out.
Each year, organizers choose a family whose home has fallen into disrepair due to circumstances beyond their control. Extreme Home Repair operates out of Langley's church in the valley. Many times it has been able to help more than one single family in a year. Though this is the 15th year of Extreme Home Repair, it is not just the 15th family helped. Acts of Kindness, the charitable initiative organization run through Church of the Valley, has helped 20 families to get back into their homes and finish repairs after a family crisis of some sort has made it impossible for them to do so themselves. Charlene and Chris Adam were chosen for this year's renovations. They purchased their house as a fixer-upper 12 years ago, but Charlene has since suffered a stroke which reduced her to just working part-time. Chris was diagnosed with MS in 2016, putting him on permanent disability. They both say the repair came as a complete surprise, but a vital one.
They weren't looking for any means of help.
But it's sure going to be nice not to have you worrying about that every day. Because that stress, I can't imagine. Being at home and not being able to do the simple things around the house that need doing.
Yeah, it makes life tough.
I'm sure.
Chris and Charlene are staying in their in-laws' backyard until their home is finished and say they have no idea what the finished product will look like. The reveal is scheduled for Victoria Day Monday, when over 200 volunteers who worked on the home are expected to show the Adams the finished product. In Aldergrove, Jackson White for BCIT Magazine.
Hello.
All right, everyone, we got 3 hours. It's 2 p.m. We got 3 hours till the family comes home, folks. This is amazing. Just we need to get focused here and get her done. Can we do it? Yes, we can. So this is just crazy. We get here this morning. We're short bed frames. I went and ran, got some bed frames. Are you learning more about bed frames?
I am learning.
She's learning about bed frames because
we put a whole bed frame together. I had no idea how to do that.
Well, now you know. See, EHR is a learning experience. Am I right?
Yeah. I found out that I can paint with both hands.
Paint with both hands. So anyway, we hope we have enough bed frames. It's kind of an important detail. They probably want to sleep here tonight, not on the floor. So I'm glad these girls are focused on that so I can focus on this video. Okay, you know what? Okay, so now the sponsor board's not working. That is so important to have the sponsors' names out here. I'm gonna call Josh, I'm gonna call the guy that put it together and just say, what can we do here? We can see over here, we're not ready. I mean, we got couches out of place, just thrown everywhere. And we're gonna be ready, it just feels like we're not, but we will.
This is definitely a blessing. We appreciate each and every one of you. All we can say is thank you. There is nothing else for us to say. We wish we could do something for you. for our appreciation, but all we have right now is thank you very much.
Walkway here to the front.
Wow, I love it. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh, this is beautiful.
Welcome home.
Wow. Oh, this is beautiful. Whoa. Oh, that's beautiful.